Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you the new paper pads at Michael's. They do have this cardstock. They are pretty large. They are 24 by 12 and they are $19.99. It comes in sets of 30 sheets of cardstock, and as you can see they have primary colors, bright colors. They also have this glitter, neutral colors, and more glitter. These are like for holidays. Then these are the 6 by 6 that most of them are just cardstock, and they are pads of 24 sheets at $5.99. And here are the new paper pads. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek by showing you the cover only. For example, this one is Neutral Modern by Recollections, and it has gold foil treatments. And this is the Butterfly Study, and as you can see, it has green foil treatments. And the next one is this Autumn Blaze, that it's a beautiful paper for fall, and look, it has gold treatments. And all of these are $9.99. Then right here is the On the Field, and it has rose gold treatments. And then this one right here that is Wallflowers, and it has some gold foil treatments. And these paper pads are 48 sheets each one. Then right here you have the ink splatter, and it has silver tones. And then right here, the Celestial Wonderland, and also has some silver accents. And the next one is this one that says Hang the Stars, and it has a lot of silver foil treatments. Then at the bottom, there is this paper pad that is Black and White Winter, and it's like for Christmas, but in black and white. The next one is this paper that is Misty Morning, and it has blue foil treatments. Then they have this one that is the Cornflower Cottage, and it has gold foil treatments over blue. Then this one right here that is the Born to Travel, and it has rose gold treatments. Then right here it's one for fall, and it's Fall Orchard, and as you can see, all the colors for fall with gold treatments. Then the next one is another one for fall, and it's the Cottage Flowers, and it has gold foil treatments. Then another one for fall, and it's this one, Front Porch, and it has gold accents too. Then this one that looks like pictures, and it's Fall Fields, and it has gold foil treatments. And then the next one is going to be this one that is Heirloom Harvest, and it has a lot of gold foil treatments. Then at the bottom, you have pads with cardstock and different colors. And these ones that says 58 sheets. These ones, these big pads are $19.99. As you can see, they have this one that says Surfaces. It has gold foil treatments. And that's the price for these big pads. Then they do have more different designs on these big packs, like this one with flowers, then this one like for fall. Then right here they have this with neutral colors, and this one that has pastel colors, and this one. Then at the bottom, as you can see, it says 24 sheets, and they are $19.99 because they have a specialty paper on it. Then the rest are just like cardstock. And these are all the paper pads that are new right now at Michael's. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a blessed day everyone. Bye bye.